Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my little project Move the Switch. So you see here some bar which is mounted to a screw pump, and it moves between one switch and the other, and then a light signals. And everything is controlled by the laptop with Python, and it usually takes some time, about half an hour, to set things up. And there's a difference in this project between recording this video and a convention. For conventions I use power cable or some wires to connect to another project, because I do not have enough power adapters. When I record this video I can rely on power adapters, or so I thought. So usually I use this power adapter, and to my surprise it didn't work out. Then it turns out that exactly where my little finger is, there's a problem with the wire. So in this situation I have power, in that situation I don't have power, so I need to fix this wire, which I'm not going to do right now. So I've taken another power adapter, and that does work. And given the location of this wire problem, it's the big question if I can even fix it. But I will try, because these are old-fashioned power adapters, and I'm not sure I can get a new one, which would give me even more problems. Anyway, further with the project. And screencast with camera view on the project, then command window, diagnostic interface and decoder. And I had to change the setup because, once again, when I tried to open things in here, I could not get the interface as detected, and that was because the cable was on a port on this side, right here. Now it is on the side right here, and it detects it. So I select the interface, and then you can see that the one thing that has to move indeed does move. So, and now you can see the problem, I hope, because the arm is getting lifted instead of being on the ground or on the plate, and it doesn't even push the switch. So pushing the switch should give a result. And right now nothing works out. And that should be output 4. So let's, is it output 4? No, output 3. So that does work, but in the program everything is connected to the inputs and switches. Anyway, let me close the interface and then run it, and then you see exactly the same, except that it goes on until it touches here the switch, goes back, the arm is lifted, goes all the way up to the other switch, and then it bounces back, or it sends back because of the program. So few things are worth noticing. Here, a cable may be not long enough then the arm is not heavy enough, and that has to be corrected if for it to function nicely. So that is coming up. So with a bit of code change, a little bit of rewiring, and adding some weight to stuff, things seems to work. So let me start the program again. Wiring is an issue. Sometimes something goes wrong, and then the big question is, why does it go wrong one time and not wrong another time, and vice versa? But right now it seems to work out. No rewiring on the plate, but rewiring to the controller. And yeah, unfortunately, without screws, you have to use duct tape. Anyway, oh, and of course a problem with the other power adapter, but it's easily solved, I found out. Just some solder and duct tape. What's new for an engineer? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can support my channel via Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. You can also buy the full video via my Ko-fi shop. If you are a supporter monthly, thank you very much, and you can find your name on the special page on my website. And you can also support via PayPal and just buying me coffee via Ko-fi. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.